Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of French Podcast, the one and only podcast designed to help French language listeners like you. My name is Rajan Singh Chauhan, and today we will talk about how to start learning about cryptocurrencies. This podcast is the second part in our cryptocurrency series. If you haven't listened to the first part of it, click on the I button. Bonjour à tous, bienvenue dans un nouvel épisode de French Podcast, le seul et unique podcast conçu pour aider les auditeurs francophones comme vous. Je m'appelle Rajan Singh Chauhan et aujourd'hui, nous allons parler de la façon de commencer à apprendre sur les crypto-monnaies. Ce podcast est la deuxième partie de notre série de crypto-monnaies. So let's get started. If you are interested in learning about cryptocurrencies, here I am going to tell you some steps that you can take. The first is start with the basics. Before delving into the complex world of cryptocurrencies, it's important to understand the fundamentals. You can start by reading articles or watching videos that can explain what cryptocurrencies are, how they work, and why they are important. Second is choose a cryptocurrency. There are many different cryptocurrencies available, and it can be overwhelming to decide which one to focus on. Bitcoin is the most well known and widely used cryptocurrency, so it may be a good place to start. Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple are other options. Third is create a wallet. To buy, sell, or store cryptocurrencies, you'll need a digital wallet. There are many different wallets available, so it's important to do your research and choose a reputable one that meets your need. Commencez par les bases. Avant de plonger dans le monde complexe des crypto-monnaies, il est important de comprendre les fondamentaux. Vous pouvez commencer par lire des articles ou regarder des vidéos qui expliquent ce que sont les crypto-monnaies, comment elles fonctionnent et pourquoi elles sont importantes. Deuxième, choisissez une crypto-monnaie. Il existe de nombreuses crypto-monnaies différentes disponibles et il peut être difficile de décider sur laquelle se concentrer. Bitcoin est la crypto-monnaie la plus connue et la plus utilisée. C'est donc peut-être un bon point de départ. Ethereum, Litecoin et Ripple sont d'autres options populaires. Troisième, créer un portefeuille. Pour acheter, vendre ou stocker des crypto-monnaies, vous aurez besoin d'un portefeuille numérique. Il existe de nombreux portefeuilles différents. Il est donc important de faire vos recherches et d'en choisir un qui répond à vos besoins. Fourth is join online communities. There are many online communities dedicated to cryptocurrencies, including forums, social media groups, and chat rooms. These communities can be a great way to learn more about cryptocurrencies, ask questions, and connect with other people who are interested in the same topics. Fifth is start small. It's important to be cautious when investing in cryptocurrencies, as their value can be highly volatile. Start by investing a small amount of money and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable with the market. Sixth is stay informed. The world of cryptocurrencies is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest news and trends. Subscribe to newsletters, follow industry experts on social media, and read reputable news sources to stay informed. Quatrième, rejoignez des communautés en ligne. Il existe de nombreuses communautés en ligne dédiées aux crypto-monnaies, y compris des forums, des groupes de médias sociaux et des salons de discussion. Ces communautés peuvent être un excellent moyen d'en apprendre davantage sur les crypto-monnaies, de poser des questions et de se connecter avec d'autres personnes intéressées par les mêmes sujets. Cinquième, commencez petite. Il est important d'être prudent lorsque vous investissez dans les crypto-monnaies, car leur valeur peut être très volatile. Commencez par investir une petite somme d'argent et augmentez progressivement votre investissement à mesure que vous devenez plus à l'aise avec le marché. Sixième, restez informé. Le monde des crypto-monnaies est en constante évolution. Il est donc important de rester au courant des dernières nouvelles et tendances. Abonnez-vous au bulletin d'information, suivez les experts de l'industrie sur les médias sociaux et lisez des sources d'informations réputées pour rester informé. As a language model, I don't provide financial advice or investment recommendations. However, I can give you some general information to help you make an informed decision. Cryptocurrencies are a complex and volatile investment, and you should always conduct thorough research before investing. That being said, some popular cryptocurrencies for beginners include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Bitcoin is the oldest and most well known cryptocurrency and is often considered a safe option for beginners. Ethereum is another popular choice that has gained a lot of attention recently due to its smart contract capabilities. Litecoin is a faster and cheaper alternative to Bitcoin with faster transaction times and lower fees. Ultimately, the best cryptocurrency for beginners will depend on your personal preferences, your investment goals, and risk tolerance. It's essential to do your research, understand the risks involved, and invest only what you can afford to lose. So, there are several courses that can provide a good understanding of cryptocurrency, but the best course for you will depend on your level of expertise, interests, and your goals. Here I'm going to share with you a course that you must join if you want to earn money from cryptocurrency. This cryptocurrency course covers all the basics of cryptocurrencies, including how they work, how to buy and sell them, and how to keep them safe. You'll learn about the most popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And you'll discover how to use them to make payments, trade, and investments. Il existe plusieurs cours qui peuvent fournir une bonne compréhension de la crypto-monnaie, mais le meilleur cours pour vous dépendra de votre niveau d'expertise, de vos intérêts et de vos objectifs. Ici, je vais partager avec vous un cours que vous devez rejoindre si vous voulez gagner de l'argent grâce aux crypto-monnaies. Ce cours sur les crypto-monnaies couvre toutes les bases des crypto-monnaies, y compris le fonctionnement, comment les acheter et les vendre et comment les protéger. Vous découvrirez les crypto-monnaies les plus populaires, notamment Bitcoin, Ethereum et Litecoin. Et vous découvrirez comment les utiliser pour effectuer des paiements, échanges et investir. This cryptocurrency course is designed with beginners in mind, so you don't need any prior knowledge of cryptocurrencies or technology to get started. The course is easy to follow with clear explanations and examples that will help you understand even the most complex concepts. To get started with this cryptocurrency course, simply click the link in the description below and you can sign up here and get instant access to all the course materials. Pour commencer avec ce cours sur la crypto-monnaie, cliquez simplement sur le lien dans la description ci-dessous. Vous pouvez vous inscrire ici et obtenir un accès instantané à tous les supports de cours. So that's all for today's podcast. I hope this podcast have added some value in your life. If you like this podcast, be generous and please subscribe to our channel to get more and more useful information. Thanks for listening, and we will meet in the next podcast. Till then, bye. Abianto.